In this video, we will clearly explain the difference between direct casting and the as operator in C#. Both direct casting and the as operator are ways to convert one type of object to another, but they handle failed conversions differently. Let's look at direct casting first. Here, we have two animal objects. One is actually a dog, and one is a cat. When we directly cast the dog object to type dog, everything works perfectly, and the dog barks as expected. But watch what happens when we directly cast the cat object to type dog. We immediately get an exception, specifically an InvalidCastException. That's because the cat can't become a dog. This behavior makes direct casting suitable when you're certain of the object's type and you want your code to fail loudly if your assumption is wrong. Now, let's look at the safer as operator. With as, if the cast fails, instead of throwing an exception, it quietly returns null. In this case, our dog object casted with as works fine, and the dog barks again. But when we use as on the cat object instead of crashing, the result is simply null, allowing us to handle the situation gracefully. So, when should you use each? Use direct casting if you're certain of the type and want immediate feedback, and exception if you are wrong. Use the as operator if you prefer to handle potential casting issues safely without exceptions. Understanding these differences helps you write safer, clearer, and more maintainable code. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more clear and concise programming tutorials.